the code conversion and classification of binary codes. This is some revision of previous videos, and then we go to the gray to binary and next conversions, that is the binary to BCD, all that things. This is some revised analog and digital signal, brief introductions, binary code, the example of binary code, classification of binary code. Previously we seen the numeric codes, what is the BCD, what is the XS3, what is the gray code, what is the actual code converters, and previously we seen the binary to gray code converter and how it converts binary to gray. That previously we taken the one example with some reference purpose, we taken here truth table of XOR gate. This is the conversion table of previous video, boolean expressions with K-map and logical diagram. Now the steps come for the next part, that is the next video, that is the gray to binary code converter. This is the opposite condition of already we see in the binary to gray. Here we have to convert a gray to binary code converter. See the stepwise. Here is the given one example, gray code, that is the given 1010, and you have to convert in binary. Here is the given gray code, that is the 1010, and you have to convert in the binary. What is the actual process? The previously process is the different. This will be comes from this angle. Now gray code, first one, whatever the given value you have to take as it is. Okay. Now this value we have to take this value we have to take for the next gray, means this one will be XOR with the second value whatever the given here, that is the 0, is 1 XOR 0, that value whatever the answer will become, that is the 1. Again this 1 will be XOR with third value, that is the 1, 1 XOR 1 0, 0 XOR 0, that is 0. And this is the gray code and this is the binary, means 1010 gray code, the binary value will be 1100. Right? This is the reference of the XOR gate truth table is given here. Now the time will become, that is the you have to convert the gray code value in the binary. I was taken the values from 00 to 11, that is the 00 to, means this is the taken the value from 0 to 15, 00 to 11, and you have to convert in binary. I will take the example of this one, the 1011, 1 will be text as it is, that 1 will be XOR with 0, means it will becomes 1, 0 will be XOR with 1, sorry, 1 XOR with 0, that is the 1, that answer will be XOR with 1, that is the 0, and 0 XOR with 1, that is the 1. Means whatever the comes answer you have to take. For example, you take here 1, here you taken as it is, 1 XOR with 1, that is the 0, that is 0 XOR with 1, that is the 1, 1 XOR with 1, that is the 0. I hope you clear that what is the basic rule for this. Is a very easy concept, binary to gray and gray to binary. Now this is the inputs G4, G3, G2, G1, and you have to find out the outputs of the binary numbers, and you have to prepare the K-map for the output for the B4, B3, B2, B1. Okay, see the name K-maps. We put the all the values here. you get that highlighted, that is the octet, means these one and this one, means G4 will be as it is, remaining will be G3 will be gets cancelled, hence B4 will be gets G4. Next, in this dark portion and this dark portion, you see the horizontally 0 1 1 0, means G4 gets cancelled, G3 gets cancelled. G4 bar and G4 and G3 bar will be gets cancelled. Okay, sorry. Here these terms will be gets cancelled, and here will becomes the equation G4 bar G3, and here is the G3 bar G4, means this is the again Boolean law used here, that is the G4 XOR G3. For B2 purpose, we put the values, that is the pairing, that you got that dark, and after putting the equations we got the equation, that is the G2 XOR G3 XOR G4. Okay, previously we see G4, here G4 XOR G3, in B2 purpose G3 XOR G2 XOR G4, and here last one, that is the G1 XOR G2 XOR G3 XOR G4, because here is the comes separated ones, all the ones. For example, here is the one, here is the one, here is the one, means all the ones are separated, no any chance to do the pair, any quad, any octet. And by using of these four equations, you have to draw the um, logical diagram. But before that, here we written the equations before the whatever the values present, that is 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. In B3 which values are present will be written here. In B2 which values are present here already written here. Same in B1 the values are present what is written here. And this is the logical diagram. You see the here for B4, that is the Z4, that is the B4 Z4, B3, that is the G4 XOR G3, B3, that is the G4 XOR G3, B2 G2 XOR G3 XOR G4, B2, that is the B3 XOR G2, means here is the G3 and G4 XOR. Okay, this output is the G3 and G4 XOR, means G3 XOR G4 and G2 XOR. Okay, and last output, that is the this one is the G2 XOR G3 XOR G4. This will be given input of the XOR, and G1 XOR, this G1 XOR G2 XOR G3 XOR G4, that is the B1 answer. This is about all about the gray to binary. Now binary to BCD code converter. Before that, I'll play the one video about the binary to BCD code conversion. We clear the concept, and then I will give the brief in details.
In this tutorial, I am going to talk about binary to BCD conversion. This conversion can be done in two steps. In the first step, we have to convert the binary number into its equivalent decimal number. In the second step, we have to convert the decimal number into its equivalent BCD. Now we'll see how to convert the binary number 10011 into its equivalent decimal number. In binary number system, the weight is 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 2 power 4, it goes on. Now we will multiply each digit with its corresponding weight. The first digit is 1. Its weight is 2 power 0. So 1 into 2 power 0 is 1. The second digit is 1. Its weight is 2 power 1. So 1 into 2 power 1 equal to 2. The third and fourth digits are 0. So we can leave that. The fifth digit is 1. Its corresponding weight is 2 power 4, which is 16. So 1 into 16 is 16. We'll add this. 1 plus 2 plus 16 is 19. So the binary number 10011 is equivalent to decimal number 19. In the second step, we'll convert the decimal number 19 into BCD. For BCD conversion, represent each decimal digit into 4-bit binary number. First, we'll write this decimal digit 9 into 4-bit binary, which is 1001. Then the decimal digit 1 is equivalent of 0001. This is equivalent BCD for the decimal number 19. So the binary number 10011 is equivalent of the BCD number 001101. Hope you understand binary to.
This is some basic examples how it converts in binary to BCD code conversions. Here we taken the truth table, the binary with BCD. The binary numbers are given here. We are taken here 0, 0 to 1, 1, and that BCD is valid up to the 9. 9 onwards we are taken as a don't care condition up to the 15 number. Means it will be starts from 0 to 9. 9 onwards it will be taken as a don't care condition. Remaining all the values we check here. That values all that values will be in binary to BCD, that is the same, but afterwards 9 for 111 1110, that all the values will be, that is the don't care. We putting that all the values here. Here only 1 is the present, remaining all the values are don't care. But when you taken the large number of group size, that is the octet size, then it is the very easy to reduce that. Means all the terms will be gets cancelled and only these terms will be remain, that is the before, because 1 is here, all that 10 will be gets cancelled. Means the equation will becomes, that is the before. In this stage also, here we taken this one, this term will be present, remaining terms will be gets we not consider because this is the don't care. We got the equation, that is the b3, y3 equal to b3. Same here also, the we not consider this x, that is the don't care. Here we taken the only one term because all that terms will be gets cancelled, that is the b2. From here also remaining terms will be gets cancelled and this octet will be darkened. This terms will be gets cancelled. Here only b1 term will be gets present, hence y1 equal to b1. Now next one, that is the BCD to XS3 code conversion. BCD to XS3 code conversion, when you convert in BCD, that BCD will be valid up to 9, and XS3 code converter means the XS code will be starts from the 3 and it will be BCD will be valid up to 9. Means you have to focus on up to calculated 9 because the conversion will be given BCD to XS3. Okay. The first means XS3 means you have to add 3. For example, 0 plus 3 means 0, 0, 1, 1. For example, 5. When you get 5, 0, 1, 0, 1, means you have to take the answer 8. That is the 1, 0, 0. 9 will be gets answer 12. 6 will be gets the answer 9. For example, 0, 1, 1, the answer will be 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? That is a very easy concept. BCD to XS3. BCD will be valid up to 9. And XS3 will be starts from the third number because it is adding with these terms, that is 0 plus 3, 1 plus 3, 2 plus 3. Okay, 0 plus 3, 3, 1 plus 3, that is a 4. Okay? This type of calculation, but we have to write in binary numbers. Same, whatever the answers will be came, we are putting here, and we, for the first purpose, W purpose, we prepared the one group, that is the octet, another one is the quad, here is another one is the quad. Okay, the first octet, here is the A, B, C, D is the inputs, only A will be present, will be right here. Okay, second one we take the quad, this quad, from here 0, 1, 1, 1 means only B will be present. Okay, here we written here B, and 0, 1, 1, 1 means C, D, C, D, that is C bar, C will be gets cancelled, D will be, that is the B, D. Here is the B, here is the D. And this one you take, here is the present B only, and here is the present only C, that is the C. We get the answer A plus BC plus B. Same for the second one. We have developed a quad. This one quad, and this one is the quad. Another one here also one quad. Here also. And this is the one pair. Remaining the conditions are don't care conditions. From about 10 onwards, you have to not consider. It is required. Here is the necessity. Then we developed octet. It is not necessary. Then we rejected that terms. Okay, you take that pair, here is only B will be present, and here C bar D bar means B C bar D bar, this term. Okay. Now go to the this term and this term, horizontally 1 0 0 0 means B bar will be present here, and here only D, there is a B bar D, and here this term horizontally 0 0 1 0 means B bar will be present, and here C will be present, that is the B bar C. Okay, same, this will be, these all the terms will be gets cancelled. Here is the C bar D bar, it becomes here, and here is the C D. Okay, here we taken here octet means these terms will be gets cancelled. Here 0 0 means C bar D bar, here is the 1 0 means C D bar, means C bar will be gets cancelled, only D bar. And this is all the equations about the BCD to XS3. Now using all these equations, you have to draw the diagram. Maybe draw the logical diagram. Now XS3 to BCD. BCD is valid up to 9, means this is the opposite conditions of previously, that is the BCD to XS3. Here we taken 0 0 1 1, it will starts from 3 number, and the BCD is the, that is the 3 minus, means the whatever the given here number, for example for bit x, that is the 8 4, that is the 12, minus 3 means we will get the answer, that is the 9. Yes, whatever the value of x is 3 minus that 3, we get the BCD number. For example, you take 1001 means 8, 4, 2, 1 means 9 is here. Answer will become 6, that is 0, 1, 1, 0 means 4 and 2, that is 6. Okay, now this is the inputs, this is the output. You prepare the KMap. Here we putting the values. This is a dark part where we get the equations. For here also we paired that. This one is the pairing with each other. Remaining don't care will be neglecting. We gets the using a Boolean law y3 XOR we get the y2 and y1. Same remaining don't care conditions we neglect. We prepare quad we get the equation y2 XOR y1. Same here also we get the y bar because terms will be gets cancelled repeated terms. And using of that we draw that diagram. Here are some definitions of various numeric codes. The alphanumeric, here is the ASCII code, that is American standard, already we seen here. American standard code for information interchange is used in some microcomputers for the manufacturing. It is represented by 7-bit binary combinations. Same EBCDIC code, that is extended for binary coded decimal interchange code. It is used in IB equipment and it differs ASCII code only in grouping of some alphanumeric characters. It uses some 8 bits for each characters. Thank you. I hope you clear the code convergence, that is the binary to gray, gray to binary, binary to BCD, BCD to binary, XS3 to BCD and BCD, and some definitions, basic definitions. Thank you. We'll stop here.